What's the time?
It's time to get ill.
And what's the time?
It's time to get ill.
So what's the time?
It's time to get ill.
Now what's the time?
It's time to get ill.
I'm not the type of person like to waste my time.
And when I'm on the mic, I just say my rhyme. And I'm out on the check is in the mail. They can send me to life.
And I won't go too down.
Oh, cool, calm, collected.
From class I was ejected.
Just be my DNCA.
Really disrespected.
I got all the time.
That I need to kill. What's that time?
Short way
Time
around.
to get ill.
Brett, Jeff, and Wes getting ready to start out on our journey as soon as we get Jeff's bike up and running. We're excited to be here.
You ready, man?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Absolutely.
It's great. Here we are, Scotty's Castle. Short way around, 2005. Didn't look so bad going up. It's always the coming down that gets me.
Boys say go! Boys say go! Boys say go! Boys say go! You don't understand. This is each man, and I think that I have to show you. Try to look inside. Take me for a ride in the day and the night. Get to know you.
There and Back Again, 2005. We came over to the top of those mountains, down through a river valley, strewn with boulders, and maybe a few motorcycle pieces were left behind, but we made it. The end. My butt's sore. My knee's sore. My hand is sore.
You have some tech.
When this began, I had nothing to say, and I'd get lost in the nothingness inside of me. I was confused, and I let it all out to find that I'm not the only person with these things in mind. But all the vacancy the words revealed is the only real thing that I've got left to feel. Just stuck, hollow and alone, and the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along, somewhere I belong. And I've got nothing to say, I can't believe I didn't fall right down on my face. I was confused, looking everywhere only to find that it's not the way I had imagined it all in my mind. So what do I have but negativity? Cause I can't justify the way everyone is looking at me. Nothing to gain, hollow and alone, and the fault is my own, and the fault is mine, the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along, somewhere street. I was hit by an invitation to a ride. Going to a party where no one's still alive. I was struck by lightning, walking down the street. I was hit by something last night in my sleep. It's a dead man's party, party. Who could ask for more? Everybody's coming, leave your body at the door. Leave your body and soul at the door. Don't run away, only me, only me.
You'll remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You'll forget the sun in his jealous sky as we walk in fields of gold. So she took her love for to gaze a while upon the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as her hair came down among the fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? We'll forget the sun in his jealous sky as we lie in fields of gold. See the west wind move like a lover's soul upon the fields of barley. Feel her body rise when you kiss her mouth among the fields of gold. I never made promises like you, and there have been some that I've broken. But I swear in the days still left, we walk in fields of gold. We walk in fields of gold. Many years have passed since those summer days among the fields of barley. See the children run as the sun goes down among the fields of gold. You'll remember me when the west wind moves.
Can I get your hand to ride on this piece of leg to bite on? But I'm not to fly my kite on. Do you wanna flash a light on? Take a look, it's on display for you. Coming down on not today.